What's the problem really? Is the seat you want that bad? Here, you can have it. Maybe the stress of politics will allow you to blow a fuse. You might just end up back in the madhouse.
Not everything is about politics daily. I am about cleaning house. I am about Jamaica. And before we can go out into the public and dash out all of these numbers that you have here, we have to fix what's happening inside. Every curtain, every cobweb, every dust mite, me go clean out. I'm going to start with you.
I think you should start with yourself, Mr. Wallace. You know, my grandmother always said, you should pick the beam out of your eyes before you pick them out of anybody else's own. And for that matter, you want to bore a hole in my career? I hope someone bore a hole in yours just like the pump hole in your brother.
What?
You think I speak everything that I know. Right, Mr. Wallace? You are so desirous of cleaning house, but you're afraid to clean your own house. You can't even put your rubbish outside. But any day, your rubbish come to light, your brother will be in a jailhouse.
I need a meeting with the board. This is the last time I'm going to make this civil request.
Mr. Wallace, that will not happen until you can bring medical record proving that you're a sane person.
All right, Daly. This is the game you want to play. You've made your move. Game on. All right, Daly. You make your move. My move now.
Yes, Silver. I want you to do me a favor. I want you to dig up all the dirt that you can on Carlton Wallace and let me have it as soon as possible. Alright.
Miss Brissett, I'm going to see her.
And you sure you want to do this?
She deserves to know the truth.
Will she be able to handle it?
I don't know, but I'm going to show her the truth.
I know you're still in love with her. Just be careful.
Okay, I will.
Keep me posted.
Yes, ma'am.
So you ever shoot me now? Stinger, what you doing here? I know you find the secret entrance.
Remember, one of my specialties is finding entrance and exits.
Yeah, you almost get shot trying to find an entrance.
It never take much searching still. It was kind of obvious. By the way, who suggested putting an exit there?
I did.
Well, in that case, I give you an E for effort.
Screw you.
Tempting offer. You have time?
What are you still doing here? Weren't you complete with your assignment?
You really don't remember, do you?
Remember what?
The assignments we've been on.
Of course. I remember all of them.
Which one was the last one?
Last year, Guyana.
And you don't remember any more after that?
What are you getting at?
Never mind. I get something for drink.
No. You're not gonna pass over that like you didn't just say it.
Have you ever had moments where you can't remember certain sections of your life?
Why you ask me that?
Because there are times when it happened to me.
It happened to you as well? I thought I was alone. It happened to me as well. There are times when I can't even remember things. I just get up and I don't remember what I was doing.
Pearl, you think the agency has anything to do with this?
The agency? Why would you think that? Remember, I was shot in my head. So I have an excuse. I don't know what's yours.
So how are you finding civilian life since it's been a year since you've last been on a mission?
Actually, I think I like this. I could get used to this. Running my own business, you know, interacting with people, having conversations on a daily basis, you know, thinking about work and ups, and it's different. It's meaningful. I like it. I really like it.
I'm happy for you.
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. You said you wanted something to drink. What are you drinking?
Just give me a drink.
Oh, I don't even know why I asked. Your favorite. So, tell me, what about you? How are you enjoying civilian lifestyle?